In this video, I will show you how you can quickly and easily trade any assets that you would like with leverage, long positions and short positions on eToro in this video. If you want to create an account on eToro, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, you will get to exactly this page right here. You can start right away. You just have to click right here on join eToro, and then all you have to do is just enter a username, email, or just use Facebook or Google sign up, and then you will already have an account. You will go through the easy, quickly process of verifying your account, and then you're ready to go. The link right to this sign up page right here is down in the description. One specifically if you are from the United States and one if you are from any other country. Once you've created an account and you log in for the first time, the page will look like this right here. And of course, first I want to show you how you can deposit any money, and you simply have to go down here on the left bottom, click on this button, deposit funds. You'll get to this page right here where first you can choose the currencies, or euro, United States dollar, the British pound, Australian dollar, whichever one you would like. For example, let's go for United States dollar. Then you can choose between these different methods. For example, a regular bank transfer. If you choose that and you click on continue, you'll get right to this page right here where you will get all the information that you need for the bank transfer, as you can see right here. Of course, you have to include this number right here in your reference code. You can see the recipient name, you can see the account number, everything you need for the bank transfer. The other options are, of course, simply your credit card or debit card. You can just enter your card details and make a deposit that way, which is also instantly. And of course, you can also use, which is really useful, PayPal. If you click on here, you simply have to enter your email address and then click on continue, and then you will be redirected to the PayPal page. Similar is if you have, if you buy something, and then you can see the amount, just confirm it, and then you will have the money here as well directly. All right, so once you have made any purchase, you can always check the number right here. It should be here under cash available, and once you have the money here, you know it has already arrived. All right, so once you have the money deposited and you can see it right here, we can now enter and open our first trades. And to do so, we can first go down here to discover. Here you can see an overview of all the different assets that you can trade on here, such as stocks, cryptocurrencies, indices, commodities, currencies, and ETFs. In this case, I want to show you how you can open a long and a short position. So first we have to find any assets. In this case, I'm just going to show you for one where the market is currently opened right now at that time of the recording, which is a German stock called SAP. Just for demonstration, I have it here. I can see the chart right here. And now I can just click on trade here and now open a position. So I can open a buy or a sell position, so long or short. In this case, first I want to show you how a long position works. I can simply enter the amount right here, let's say $500. Then I can go down here and choose the leverage, 1x leverage, which is pretty much no leverage at all, or a 2x leverage and a 5x leverage. Of course, let's go for a 2x in this case to show you. Which means, of course, our profits, if the price goes up 10%, we're making 20% profit. If the price goes down, for example, 5%, we're making 10% loss. So all the profits and all the losses the stock makes are doubled for us. Next up, we can also choose a stop loss and a take profit. So I could say, for example, you know what, if let's go here to amount, if the position goes down, so I am around about $50 in a loss, I want the position to be closed. It automatically calculates the price for us right here, as you can see, and it tells us again, okay, 10% of your own invested money you will lose if the stop loss will be hit. All right, the same goes for take profit. Let's choose that to amount, and let's say, of course, you can also type it in manually, but let's say, for example, if it goes up, so we are $200 in profit at that price, 152, as you can see, that's the price, and we will make 40% profit compared to our own money that we've invested. All right, so that's pretty much already it. That's all we need to do. Then we can simply go down here and click on open trade. As you can see, order is filled. That's already it. If we go back here to our portfolio, we can see here is our current position, how many units we've bought, 7.2. Which is of course double of the units that we would have bought with $500. As you know, the price was like 125 or something. Here you can see it. That's the price where we opened the position to $127. Of course, with our $500, we would only get like three and a half or something. But because we are using the 2x leverage, we're buying double the amount, as you can see. You can see your your profit and loss. Currently we are down a few dollars since we've opened the position. And if you click on here, you can see some more details about it. You can see again, it's a buy, so it's a long position with the CFD because we are using a 2x leverage. If you click on here, the stop loss, you can also see again, here's the leverage that you've used, and you can also edit your stop loss and take profit if you want to do so. If you just tweak these numbers a little bit and click on update, you will have them changed, as you can see. Yeah, and that's pretty much all you can do here. You can now, of course, leave it open, add new positions, wait until your stop loss or take profit is hit, or of course, at any given moment, you can always immediately close the position to take some profits. For example, simply go here on the right and click on close. You can say, I only want to close, for example, part of the position. You can choose how much you want to take out, or you can just leave that check mark and say, okay, I want to close the entire position. Just click on close trade, and as you can see, order is filled and you are already out of the long position again. Next up, I also want to show you how it works for short position, pretty similar. You can also go here up to the search bar and just search for the stock again. Let's go for the same one again, click on trade, and this time go up here to sell. So we're now opening a short position, enter the amount again. Let's go for $500 again. Leverage, let's go for a 2x leverage again. And now our stop loss. We can say amount, let's say I want again like $50 maximum loss. As you can see now, this price is above the current price, because if the price goes up to our $133, if it goes up, then we will make the $50 of loss, which is 10% of our own capital that we've put in this position. And your take profit, let's go to amount. Let's say I want to make, I don't know, like $250 of profit this time. This would mean at the price of $95. So if the price goes down to 95, I will make $250 of profit from my own $500, which is 50% profit, of course. So that's how the numbers work right here. For a short position, then I can just say open trade. It is already filled. And if I go back to my portfolio here, I can see now it's a selling right here. Again, units where I opened it, how much I've invested, profit and loss. Click on it. You can see again, now it's a short, it's a sell trade. You can tweak these numbers again, change up any of these numbers if you want to do so later on. And of course, you can just leave it open, wait until these two are hit, or close the position manually right here. Works just the same as for the long position. Click on close trade, and you also are out of the short position again. And that's how longing and shorting with leverage works on eToro. Don't forget to create an account on eToro by using the link down from the video description to instantly get to the right sign up page. You can enter your details and you're ready to go directly. As always, if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.